Hello everyone, welcome to my channel and I am Jagdeep Rosario. In previous video we have learned the concept of fractions and today I will teach you the concept of decimals. So without any delay, let us start. To understand the concept of decimals better, let us take an example of a square. Divide the square into 10 equal parts and color one part of it. And this can be written as 1/10. In another form, this can be written as 0.1. And you can read it as 0.1. This another method of writing fraction is called decimal system. Let us take another example. The same square. You will divide the square into 100 equal parts and color one part of it and can be written as 1/100. In another form, this can be written as 0.01 and this can be written as read as 0.01. Okay, and let us take another example. The same square we will divide into 1000 equal parts and we will color one part of it and that can be written as 1/1000 and can be written in another form as 0.001. Now 2/10 can be written in decimal form as 0.2. 3/10 can be written as 0.3. You have learned how to write 10, 100, 1000 in place value chart. Now think how we will represent 1/10, 100, 1000 in place value chart. 1/10 is represented in 1/10th place, 100 represented in 100th place, 1000th represented in 1000th place. A point is placed between unit place and 1/10th place is called decimal point. The digits placed at the left side of the decimal point are the integral or whole part and the digits at the right side of the decimal point are decimal part or fraction part. Let us take an example. 8.5. In between 8 and 5 there is a point. This point is nothing but decimal point. 8 is integral or whole part and 5 is decimal part or fraction part. In any number, if there is a decimal point, it is called decimal number. So that 8.5 is decimal number. Decimal means denominator in fraction is 10, 100, 1000 and so on. Place value of a digit to the left of a decimal point increases as we move from right to left. And place value of a digit to the right of a decimal point decreases as we move from left to right. Let us represent one number on place value chart. 2586.325. Will we represent it? 2586.325. Now we will learn how to convert fractions to decimal. Okay, let us take some examples. First one, 6/10. Now, if 10 is the denominator, you can directly convert into decimal. 0.6. This is the answer. Now, second one. If mixed fraction is given, you have to write 2 is the whole part plus 5 by 10. This is equal to 2 plus, how do you write 5 by 10? Because the denominator is 10, you can write 0.5. So that 0.5. This is equal to 2.5 is your answer. Now 4 by 5. Here denominator is other than 10, 100 or 1000. So that you have to find the fraction equivalent to this fraction. So that you have to find the denominator which is to be 10 or 100. Okay, near to this denominator is 10. So that you have to multiply both by 2. So that you will get denominator of 10. 8 by 10. So that denominator is 10 now. So that you can write it directly. 0.8 is your conversion. Number 3, 4. Here denominator is other than 10 or 100. So that you have to find the equivalent fraction whose denominator to be 10 or 100. So that we will multiply this by 100, by 25. 25 for the 100. This is equal to 3 into 25 is equal to 75. That means 75 by 100. And this you can directly write in decimal. This is equal to, just write 75. After 2 places, put the decimal point and you got the answer. 171 by 500. We have to find the denominator, which should be 1000. We will convert this into 1000. So that 500 into 2 is 1000. And 171 into 2 is equal to 2 1s are 2, 14, 342 by 1000. So that here you got the denominator of 1000. So that you can directly write in decimal. 342, 1, 2, 3. After 3, there is a decimal point. You got the answer. Now let us learn how to convert from decimal to fraction. Okay, let us take some examples. 10.5. This we have to convert to fraction. To convert fraction, we have to remove the decimal point. Write it after removing decimal point. In denominator, after decimal point, there is 1 digit. So that we will write 10. Now we will simplify this. 5 2s are 10, 5 2s are 10, 5 1s are 5. This is equal to 21 by 2. In improper fraction, you can write in mixed fraction also. 2 10s are 20, remainder is 1 and by 2. Next, 3.36. This we can write as 3 plus, we will remove the point, decimal point, and after decimal point there are 2 digits. So that we will write in denominator 100. And This is equal to, we'll simplify. 218 the 250 the. Then again we'll cut 2 9 the 225 the. This is equal to 3 plus 9 by 25, or this is equal to 3 9 by 25 is your answer. So third one, 2.342. This is equal to, first let us take whole part, 2 plus, we'll remove the decimal point and we'll write 342 by, after decimal point there are 3 digits, so that in denominator 3 zeros should be there. This is equal to 2 plus, we'll simplify this one, 2 5s are 10, 0 0, 2 1s are 2, 2 7s are 14, 2 1s are 2. This is equal to 171 by 500. This is equal to, now we will write this in mixed fraction. 2 171 by 500. This is your answer. I feel you have understood the concept of decimals. Now I am going to wrap up my video. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and comment, and do not forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you once again. Let us meet in next video.